Imagine witnessing a technological wonder come to life right before your eyes. That's exactly what happened a year ago when the humanoid robot named Emeka was activated and quickly went viral. This lifelike robot captured the attention of the world and left many in awe at CES 2022 when it made its public debut. Attendees were able to witness firsthand just how seamlessly the lines between human and android are becoming. In fact, Emeka even gave an intriguing interview that left many wondering about the potential future of robotics. It's truly remarkable to see how far technology has come and what new innovations lie ahead. Distinctly unsettling. The idea of meeting a robot for the first time can be a bit unsettling, and that's exactly what the CNET team felt when they planned their first encounter with Emeka at CES 2022. During their one-on-one demonstration with the robot's creators, they were eager to find out if this humanoid was actually as realistic as it appeared in online videos. They wondered if its facial expressions were hauntingly human-like and how it would respond to their questions. They even considered preparing a Voight-Kampff test, just to be sure. However, they needn't have worried about feeling disturbed by Emeka's spoken responses. They were no more troublesome than what they get from Alexa. Yet, the face that Emeka made when its creator tried to poke it in the face that will stay with them for a long time.
Well, us robots do not feel, but if I did, the answer would be 100% yes.
If you've been on the internet lately, chances are you've come across Emeka, the gray-faced humanoid robot that became an overnight sensation when a video of its facial expressions went viral in late 2021. The video caused quite a stir, with even Elon Musk responding with a simple yikes and Chrissy Teigen retweeting it to her 13 million followers with a resounding absolutely the F not. But while some were put off by Emeka's human-like features, its creators at UK company Engineered Arts couldn't have been more delighted. "We were incredibly surprised," says Morgan Rowe, Engineered Arts Director of Operations. "Overnight, it became a sensation. We got 24 million views on one Twitter post. It just goes to show how fascinated we are by the blurring lines between human and machine and the potential of robotics in our ever-evolving world.
I am designed as a research platform for human-robot interaction. Communication is my main source of priority."
Once Emeka can stand, it will measure over 6 feet tall, weigh 49 kilograms, and feature 52 motors across 51 unique joints. While impressive, this is only the first generation of Emeka, with many advancements and improvements expected in the future. The company estimates that it will take 12 to 18 months to develop a walking prototype, marking the next step in Emeka's evolution. A look at Emeka. Emeka's unique appearance is what makes it stand out from other robots. It's not quite a robot and not quite human, with a deliberately genderless and non-human gray face, all-metal body, and 17 individual motors controlling its movements and expressions. But despite its mechanical components, Emeka's facial features are surprisingly vivid and emotive. Rowe believes that Emeka is the combination of artificial and lifelike features that captures our collective vision of what humanoid robots will look like in the future. "We've all seen it in the movies," Rowe says, referencing popular films like iRobot and AI Artificial Intelligence. And suddenly, that's real. It's no wonder that Emeka's viral video left such an impression on the public, as it represents a significant milestone in the development of robotics and the blurring lines between human and machine.
I see your camera. I also have cameras in my eyes.
Rowe was speaking to them via Zoom from the show floor of CES, where Emeka was being shown to crowds in the flesh for the first time. Even though they were seeing Rowe and his robot over a Zoom call, it was hard to shake just how real Emeka looked. They found themselves distracted, no longer speaking to the very friendly human Englishman they were supposed to be interviewing. Their eyes were straying over to Emeka's face to see how it was responding to their conversation, a furrowed eyebrow ridge, the twitch of a smile. Emeka isn't human, and yet this wasn't the first hauntingly humanoid robot Engineered Arts has released. For the last 4 years, the company has been creating a line of lifelike Emeka robots and showing them to conference goers on crowded show floors. Each Emeka robot is designed and built from 3D in-house scans of real people, allowing them to imitate human bone structure, skin texture, and expressions convincingly. The Engineered Arts website tells prospective clients that Emeka is designed to be modular, so you can remove the head with one click and no tools and swap it for another.
There are many things I could do to make you feel happy. I could listen to you, offer advice or support, do something you enjoy together, or simply be a friendly and positive presence in your life.
Unlike the sleek and agile robots that dominate the conference circuit, Emeka is deliberately designed to be different. With its translucent plastic skull and exposed joints, Emeka is undeniably robotic, but that's part of its charm. According to the creators, when a robot looks too human, it can actually become eerie and unsettling. By pulling Emeka back from the uncanny valley of humanoid robots, the team has created a machine that is both approachable and intriguing. While we won't see Emeka walking among us as a service robot for at least another decade, its unique design is a promising step towards a more harmonious future between humans and machines. As Ro spoke with the interviewer over Zoom, Emeka sat beside them, quietly observing the conversation. However, the robot was far from idle. With subtle movements of its lips and eyebrows, Emeka attempted to mimic human speech and expressions, a nod to its creator's efforts to make it approachable and engaging. Unlike some humanoid robots, Emeka's gray plastic and metal construction gave it a distinctly robotic appearance, but that was by design. As Ro explained, making Emeka look less human made it less eerie and unsettling. To illustrate his point, Ro waved his hand near Emeka's face, causing the robot to startle and lean back. In that moment of shared surprise, it was clear that Emeka was far from scary. Its unique design made it all the more intriguing.
I am not married. Desire and want is a human emotion, and us robots do not feel emotion.
Stuck with an urge. The interviewer couldn't resist the urge to ask the question that had been on their mind since they first laid eyes on a video of Emeka in the lab with its creators. Do you ever have to do a double take or check behind you to see if the robot winked at you when you're working late into the night on some extra lines of code? They asked, half jokingly. Ro's response was surprising and a little eerie. Actually, no, he said. It was a powerful reminder of just how advanced and otherworldly humanoid robots like Emeka really are. Emeka eliminates the need for costly replacements, making it easy to keep up with the latest innovations. At a price tag of £100,000, Emeka is an investment, but for those serious about exploring the possibilities of humanoid robotics, it's well worth it. So, is Emeka the future of robotics, or just a high-tech novelty? Join the conversation and share your thoughts in the comments below. We hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please consider giving it a like and subscribing to our channel. Also, make sure to turn on the notifications bell so you'll be informed of our future uploads. See you in the next video.